Welcome to qnawire.
All right, in number 12, I've got it graphed just to have a visualization here. But to find the perimeter, you're going to need to find AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So let's start with AB. One way to do this, besides the distance formula, more efficient way, is with Pythagorean theorem. There are 3 units and 6 units between points A and B, 3 units and 6 units. So you can use the Pythagorean theorem by saying AB would be equal to the square root of the difference between the x's and the difference between the y's. Again, we said there were 6 and 3. Because this is really AB, which would be the hypotenuse squared. That's why I'm square rooting it here. And that's the square root of 6 squared is 36. 3 squared is 9, so it's the square root of 45. You need to be in simplest radical form. 45 is 9 times 5, and the square root of 9 is 3, so this is 3 square root 5. Check out from D to C. It's also 6 and 3 units apart, so this is 3 square root 5 as well. AD would equal the square root. Now let's analyze from A to D. We've got 2 units and 4 units between them. So using the Pythagorean theorem, 2 and 4 would go into the Pythagorean theorem, and then we would square root. 2 squared is 4, 4 squared is 16, 4 plus 16 is 20, so it's the square root of 20, but simplified, 20 is 4 times 5, so that's the square root of 4 is 2, so this is the same thing as 2 square root 5, and it's the same on the other side. So the perimeter would be 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 5 plus 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 5. Or 2 plus 3 is 5, 7, 10 square root 5. Let's say in number 13, I've got the 2 points graphed. We want to know what is a possible location for the third vertex to give us an area of a triangle that is 10. Well, we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. And if the area is 10, and let's use an easy height here by thinking, let's make this triangle, and we just need to know where do we end. Well, that would be a height of 4. We can multiply 1/2 and 4, that's 2, and then divide both sides by 2, and we'd need a base length of 5. Well, if we're at 3, 0, and we want 5 units, then this would be at 8, 0 to get our length of 5, so that we would have an area of the triangle of 10. So what is a possible location? Again, one possible location would be at 8, 0.